Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about, yet don't actually have the foggiest idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Notwithstanding, it has shown a ton of commitment and is right now one of the 30 greatest cryptographic forms of money on the planet. Likewise with some other digital money, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin money will be a wise speculation. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment, also as extraordinary likely convenience, can assist with keeping its cost above water in the event that the market declines. Bitcoin Money, BCH survey. Bitcoin Money is a hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017, in the midst of rising worries about adaptability, slow exchange speed, and high charges. Furthermore, there was a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine motivation behind the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto framed just like a really decentralized shared computerized installment technique. Numerous members felt like the first Bitcoin didn't address those values any longer. Be that as it may, the Bitcoin money of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC, presently known as Bitcoin Money, and Bitcoin SV, Satoshi's vision. The fork was made in light of the fact that the local area differ on the eventual fate of the cryptographic money, specifically with respect to hinder size. At first, BCH had a block size cutoff of 8 MB. This permitted the coin to bring down its expenses and increment its exchange throughput. From that point forward, its block size has expanded much more and is equivalent to 32 MB right now. As a matter of fact, what separates BCH from other famous digital forms of money like the first Bitcoin or Ethereum is the means by which minimal unique its cost had throughout the long term. In spite of the fact that there were some cost spikes, the worth of Bitcoin money basically consistently returned to the $300-400 territory. Most other cryptographic forms of money that get positioned in the main 30 by market cap typically see their typical costs ascend throughout the years, however not BCH. From one perspective, that should be visible as something to be thankful for. All things considered, digital currencies are frequently scrutinized for being unstable. However, on the other, it brings up a ton of issues. At any point can BCH break out of this example and hit another most extreme cost, as well as increment its typical worth as well. The truth will come out eventually. Right now, we can call attention to that authentic information shows the general dependability of this coin and its protection from market slumps. Bitcoin money value expectations for 2022 by specialists. Digital currency costs are famously unstable and along these lines close to difficult to anticipate. Notwithstanding, it can in any case be helpful to take a gander at various specialists' thought process might happen to the worth of a resource later on. Bitcoin money is presently, starting around 2/18/22, position 27th by market capitalization. It is a notable and deeply grounded coin that has previously cut out a spot for itself in the digital money market. Thus there are a great deal of crypto merchants, financial backers, and different specialists watching it and attempting to make a Bitcoin money estimate. Here are a portion of the Bitcoin money cost forecasts we have seen. Notwithstanding, it must be noticed that their Bitcoin money forecast is somewhat bizarre. They are anticipating that this digital currency should drop down to as low as $30 and could in fact see it possibly arriving at any rate cost of $16. In addition, they're foreseeing that this will happen only a brief time before the coin hits $400. On the off chance that all works out positively and the crypto market keeps on following the direction it laid out for itself in 2017 to 2021, then, at that point, BCH will have development potential and will be a wise speculation. Cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin money, which work with fast and productive crypto exchanges, likewise stand to acquire a ton on the off chance that computerized monetary forms become the standard in regular installments. Bitcoin money value forecasts 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin money will be $170.03. The greatest level that the BCH cost can reach is $200.04. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $175.04. Possible return for capital invested, 65.6% by BCH value conjecture for WAC 2023, in view of the value vacillations of Bitcoin money. Toward the start of 2023, Crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $131.62 in WOC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $119.08 and at $135.38 individually. Expected return for capital invested, 12.1% by April 2023. Bitcoin money value gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the BCH cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $130.55, while the most extreme could reach $141.96 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin money may be around $135.57. Expected return on initial capital investment, 17.5% by BCH value figure for May 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Bitcoin money in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal BCH rate they foresee may be around $140.99 in May 2023. It can drop to $134.72 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $148.74. Expected return for money invested, 23.1% by June 2023. Bitcoin money value gauge around mid-year 2023. The BCH cost will be exchanged at $145.22 overall. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin money worth to $154.37. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $140.21 in June 2023. Possible return for money invested, 27.8% by BCH value conjecture for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Bitcoin money costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023, $151.02. The most minimal and top BCH rates may be $144.76 and $160.18. Possible return for capital invested, 32.6% by August 2023. Bitcoin money value figure. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the BCH cost will be around $154.04. In August 2023, the Bitcoin money cost might drop to at least $147.78. The normal pinnacle worth may be $167.73 in August 2023. Likely return for money invested, 38.8% by BCH value estimate for September 2023. Having examined Bitcoin money costs, digital currency specialists expect that the BCH rate could arrive at a limit of $175.43 in September 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $153.65 for September 2023. The determined